Hi everyone, welcome to Evie's Toy House. Today we're making a brand new custom Equestria Girls mini doll. We're going to be making Jojo Siwa. Jojo is a very accomplished young lady. She sings, dances, and is a super fun YouTuber. If you're a fan, let me know by commenting "I'm a fan of Jojo" down below. I've also made a few other customs of YouTubers including Cookie Swirl C and Karina Garcia. Have you seen them? So to make this custom, we're going to be using two versions of Twilight. I'm going to be using this brand new Twilight Sparkle with the swimsuit. For her ponytail, we're going to relocate it to the top of her head. And we're also going to be using this one for her outfit. So I really like this color and also like her shoes. And so we're going to decorate it in JoJo's colors. Alright, so let's get started. Here we go. The first thing we're going to do, of course, is to take off the head and also take off sidewise glasses. So these glasses are actually tied on by a rubber band. We want to take these off. And we're also going to take off for this one. Here we go. Next thing we're going to do is remove the bangs. Jojo doesn't have bangs on the front, so we're going to remove that and fill in the gap with some air-dried clay. So I'm going to be using my X-Acto knife for this. If you're doing this at home, make sure to get an adult to help you because X-Acto knives can be very, very sharp and difficult to handle. Alright, so here are the bangs and we're going to be peeling it off. So there we go. So we're going to have to clean up this area and put in some air-dried clay. But in the meantime, we're actually going to remove the ponytail back here too. So here's the head so far. I removed this little back piece here, and of course we still have this gap in the front. So what I'm going to do is we're going to take some air-dried clay and we're going to fill it in the front here so that it's nice and smooth. We're also going to add a bit of clay here so that the hairline blends into the back a little bit better. Once the hair is done, we're going to start painting the face with a flesh tone. We're also going to paint her neck and arms too. Next, we're going to paint her eyes green. With black, we're going to line the eyes. And add some eyelashes. Now we're going to add the pupils with black too. Using brown, we're going to add her eyebrows. And with white, we're going to add 2 white dots on her eyes. And for her teeth, we're going to paint it white. Finally, we're going to paint her hair blonde. If you're enjoying this custom video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Now for the outfit. For this custom, we're not going to do any painting. Instead, we're going to use lots of glitter. We're going to add some purple glitter to her top here. And we're going to add pink glitter to her shoe straps. For the skirt, we're going to add purple glitter to the ribbon, some purple beads to the bow, then I'm going to add pink glitter to the rest of the skirt. At the very bottom, we're going to add pink confetti glitter. Now for the bow, we're going to use oven baked clay. We're going to cut out 2 rectangular pieces and fold them in half. And pinch them a little bit on the ends. After putting the 2 pieces together, we're going to connect them with a piece in the middle and add 2 ribbons to the bottom. Alright everyone, and we are done. Take a look. What do you guys think? So I really love her hair. I really love the way her hair turned out. This side ponytail looks super cute, and it looks really great with this big old pink bow too. So down here is her face. She has this really big green eyes. Of course, she is singing here with her microphone. I actually didn't repaint her outfit. Instead, I used a lot of glitter. I think this is the first time I used so much glitter on a custom. So up here on her shirt, I used this dark purple glitter. On the bow for her skirt, I used these very tiny balls. And her skirt is pink. And on the very bottom, I used this very interesting kind of confetti style glitter. So as you can see, that it adds a little bit of a texture to it. And down here for her shoes, I also used some pink glitter. So let me know down below in the comment section what you think of my Jojo Siwa. And if you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!